This is Arlene. It's July the 16th, 2021. So I am getting targeted from the refrigerator and the extension cord I'm using for my toaster and my coffee maker. These are the frequencies. That's the extension cord. That's the refrigerator. And that's more EMF readings from the refrigerator I'm getting targeted from. Basically, it covers my whole apartment. And the refrigerator and the extension extension cord are kind of running hot. And then also from the floor heater, I'm getting targeted from there too.